It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is that the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. This is a guitar lesson for Marry You by Bruno Mars. How are you doing? My name's Dave Donoghue, the guitar coach. I put up brand new tutorials each week on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date, just hit the button below. I'm going to get into the lesson. So, loads going on in singing wise, but good news, once you get a capo on the 3rd fret, your 4 chords for the whole song are D major, E minor, G, and D. That is the whole song. Now, let's give it a go. So what I'll do is I'll play through the verse. I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. D, then E minor, and E minor. G, another G, and D, D. Right, so that'll be your intro, your verse, and your chorus. So the thing about this is, all we need to watch out for is that we play our 4-finger G instead of the 3-finger G. I find that the 3-finger G sounds pretty open and can stick out compared to this. Now, what would you do rhythm-wise? Well, I like to go down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And there's an Ultimate Guitar song sheet linked in the description below this lesson if you want to check out the lyrics and sing along with it. So the rhythm will go on D again, then E minor again. So it's like twice on each chord. And that is the whole song. Now, I have a playthrough video done of it as well, and what I'll do is I'll link a bit of that to the start of the lesson. Alright, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Catch you very soon. Oh, and if you have any questions, just post a comment below. I'll be happy to answer.